Hello, my beautiful besties. Is it girl Nelly? If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. So for today's video, I have a small haul video. So these are things that I received after I did my live haul video. And I didn't get to show you, but there's something here that really got me upset. But anyways, so this is a labeler. It's a label printer. Sorry, me and my English. It's a label printer, and this is the first time I've ever had anything like this. And I thought it'd be great to, I notice people like to give acrylic names, so I figured let me buy a printer and then I'll put the names there and I can put it on the lid. And that's exactly what I did. So this is the same dapping dish that I just showed you. I am in love with this dapping dish, especially because I like to work with a lot of glitter acrylics. And as you can see, how this metal piece is. You can actually clean your brush on top of that, and then it kind of traps the glitters at the bottom. And it works really good. It works so good that I had to get another one because I constantly work with either nude colors or clear and glitters. So when it comes to encapsulating my nails, I really like my clear, like the monomer, to be clean. So this is the motion that you would do to clean your brush, and it literally traps the glitters at the bottom. So it's a very tiny dapping dish, but it's very powerful. It's really good. I really like it. In this package, I have some nail goodies. So this is the package that I said, WTF, like seriously, look at this packaging. It's broken, it's ripped, it looks like somebody stepped on it, kicked it, I don't know, slam it against the wall or something. I don't know what happened to this. At this point, I was like, no, let me grab some. I cleaned my hands with some isopropyl alcohol and then I put on the gloves because I was like, I don't know what happened to this package. I mean, look at it. This is not, I was so upset. I didn't even remember buying them in this color. I was like, did I really buy this? Or like, because I remember, obviously, you guys know that I love blue. Look, there's even a hole in it. I was like, ooh, son, you're going to see my hand motion when I do it. Because I was so freaking upset. You know, when you buy stuff from Amazon or whatever company, whether it's AliExpress, Temu, whatever, you're putting your money into this. You expect to receive things that look at least aesthetically pleasing or something. I don't know. These people, I don't know what the hell happened to that pack. Excuse my French, but I'm very upset. So it came with this beautiful different shapes. I did notice, and I am going to show you. I swear that somebody stepped on this several times or it was kicked, because one of the rhinestones in one of the butterflies, it looks like it was either cracked or something happened to the rhinestone. I will try to show you because I noticed it and it was really bothering me. I think it was this butterfly. I don't know if you're able to see it, but the rhinestone on the wing looks cracked. And actually the first charm that I showed you, the rhinestone looked like weird. Like if it was like, when you drop something on the floor and it's something shiny and then you step on it and it has like scratches and stuff, that's what it looked like. And that's what I was trying to show you. I don't know if you can zoom in so that you can actually see it, but I was so upset. I could not believe it. And at this point, I was like, oh, I thought I bought these in blue, but apparently not. I literally wanted to do this video and not having to do a voiceover, but everybody was sleeping. So I took advantage. I even changed the bag. As you can see, I'm using the bag where the drill bit came in, because I was like, I'm not going to put that in the same bag again. And here I am again showing you a damn package. Oh my, this got me really, really upset. Like, come on, Amazon. You can do better than that. Look at that. It was completely torn. I was like, oosa. So this is a one of those long 5-in-1 drill bits. I thought that when I purchased it, I thought it was a safety bit. It's not. I'm not scared of them, but if you're not very familiar with using like drill bits, get the safety ones. I was trying to show you here, but this one is so tiny at the top. You can barely see it. I use this very often. I got this one from Melody Susie, and then I bought this one that I'm showing you right now from Amazon. So I do love these 5-in-1. I actually had two of them, and my cat broke both of them, and I'm going to explain how she did that. The drill bit was still on my drill, and it was the cordless drill, and she had the habit of getting on my desk and then kind of like moving things from my desk and throwing them on the floor. So she broke both of my drill bits that way. So this time I decided to buy two. So that's why I'm showing you that. And then in this one, because I used the bag to pour the rhinestones, I believe for this one, as you can see, it's the same one. I do show you the label on the bag so that you can see. I really can't remember, but at this point, yeah, it's a super long acrylic knurled drill bit. Fine. So this is a fine drill bit. And I like it. Like I said, I had two before this one, and my cat broke both of them. So look at the difference in this packaging. Both are from the same seller. So I don't know what's going on. Like, I remember buying the blue ones, and that's why I was so confused when I saw the black ones. I was like, what did I do? This is the problem when I'm ordering stuff, because I be forgetting what I order. Difference in package. This got me so upset, bro. Like, I could not get over it. But anyways, let's just continue. There, I'm showing you, I was like, "Argh!" I was so upset. So here I purchased from Amazon some more sanding bands from Melody Susie. I do have a code with Melody Susie, so if you want to buy them from Melody Susie, from their website, I do have a website, a link, I'm sorry, and I have a discount code. So this is the first package that they sent me, the first little box, and I absolutely love them, except that this time I got them in pink, and it's 180 grit. So I really, really like these sanding bands, and I love the fact that it actually came with the mandrel bit. I wasn't expecting it. I really have to read what I'm buying. Oh my God. But it's exactly the same as the black ones, except that these ones are pink. And again, Melody Susie, I do have a link and a discount code. Feel free to use it. I think it gives you 12% off, if I'm not mistaken. So the next item I'm going to show you. Okay. Let me talk about this. I really have to read when I'm buying stuff, bestie, because I thought this was bigger. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. This is a collection of chameleon colors, right? As you can see kind of the shimmers of the purple on the blue. And I was like, what in the world is going on here? So as you can see, I think it's at purple, red, and something else. Blue, maybe. I don't know. And it is from this company, Baltic Day, I think it's called. I don't know. I have purchased pigments from them, and these ones are so beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to go buy another one. So this is my plan, and I'm gonna share it with you. I know sometimes when we are planning on doing something, we should just stay silent, But that's how really you would know if somebody else does it, then maybe somebody else is actually watching what you're going to do and then go ahead and do it. So, my plan with this is doing a summer collection, right? But I kind of want it to be like a mermaid collection. So I don't know how I'm going to achieve that, but these are definitely the colors. Like seriously, I think I'm gonna buy another box because these are only 3 grams, and I think I show you later in the video because I was still I couldn't believe how small they were. Like in the picture, they looked much bigger, but then again, I didn't read exactly the description of the item, and that's one of my issues. Um, but the colors are very beautiful. I just wanted to see how these would work on acrylic. Like I have another completely different kit from this same company that I have made colors from, like I make acrylics from, and they're really, really good. And the shimmers in these little jars are absolutely gorgeous. And I was looking around and looking around and looking around. And yes, they are all beautiful. And the first one that I grabbed was a blue one. But wait until I show you the other blue. It comes with 2 different blue ones. And like I said, these are 3 grams. So again, me thinking I was going to get the same size as the other kit. Because the other kit, I think they come in 10-gram jars, if I'm not mistaken. But this blue, oh my God, it's blue purple. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I cannot wait to play with these and just add some acrylic. Look how beautiful that color is. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think these colors will look good for like a mermaid collection? I don't know. I think it would be beautiful. It's something that I haven't seen. I don't know. I do live under a rock sometimes. So I don't know. Maybe somebody has had a mermaid collection and I just don't know about it. But that's my plan with this. And I'm excited. I just need to buy another pack because these ones are too small. I mean, you know what? Maybe I'll just try with this and see what happens. And if people like it and do want to buy it, then I'll just go ahead and make the investment and buy a bigger jar. And maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just do it for fun and for me, and So I got really excited when I saw the colors. I was only disappointed by the size. Now let me talk to you about these tips. So I normally buy my tips from either my 4XL stiletto. Let me be very clear. From Zulay. And then I purchased them at one time from Amazon. Again, I did not read the description. Yes, they are stiletto, but they're curved. They have a C curve. And I was like trying to understand why the shape of this nail was like this. Like it even has a little curve. And that's because, and then you can see how defined the curve on that tip is. Not this tip, the other half of the nail, that part. And I was like, oh, so this is a C curve. So I don't know if I'm going to use these or if I'm just going to put them for a giveaway. I've never used stiletto tips that have a C curve on them. I normally don't like C curve tips for some reason. I just like them straight. But yeah. So in my search of, again, another dirty item. This is Amazon for you people. But another item I wanted to try was I wanted to give a different monomer a try, like an affordable monomer. And I decided to do that ever since, because I love young nails. I love using young nails. But young nails went from $10 to $30 in like a few days. So it was like, what the hell? So I'm like, no, I need to look for a better alternative, a different monomer that I can afford, that the smell is not so strong. Honestly, I'm used to the smell of monomer, but I have to compare it. I only opened it just to sniff a little bit. It didn't smell that strong, but again, other people can be more sensitive to the smell than others, you know. So maybe I'm just like over the whole monomer smell thing. So in this package, this is something that I didn't really get to open. These are full cover tips, but they're not for me. I don't do full cover tips. I like to do my nails and I do use tips, but not full cover. Like full cover tips is not a thing for me. So the reason I purchased these full cover tips is because my oldest daughter is graduating from high school and she wants to have nails, but she doesn't really want me to do her nails. So I'm just going to do a set of press-ons for her. So let me know in the comment section below if that's something you would like to see. I already have her dress. We're in the process of getting everything else ready. And I'm excited. I'm very excited. So they are kind of short, in my opinion. They're short, I'm sure, for her. They're gonna be long. But they're coffin. I'll probably have to cut them down a little bit because I know my kid. Like, I know for her, this is long. And, you know, we don't speak the same length language. I'm excited. I'm really not a fan of doing press-ons. But that's what I'm going to be doing. So that she can have a beautiful set of nails for her graduation. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Oh, and here I'm just, going over what I showed you on the live. This I showed while I was live, things that I purchased. Those are the glitters. I literally, after I finished recording this video, I put everything aside, like color wise, that I was going to use for my mixes. That live already happened. I already created the colors. And I sold 2 collections already. So if you're interested, let me know. You have to follow me on Instagram. That's one thing. And we'll take it from there. So those are all the glitters. I had showed this previously, but for those of you who did not watch the live, I just wanted to show you all the glitters that I purchased. I literally spent like $100 in glitters alone. Yeah, I went a little crazy, but I was really excited about it. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Shout out to everyone who likes, comments, and share my videos. It helps me out a lot here on YouTube. Don't forget to leave a comment. Again, share it if you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. If you want me to do that press-on set as a video, I can definitely do that. I don't think I'm going to be using those tips. I think that's definitely going to go in the box for a future giveaway. So that's everything for today's video. I'm just trying to keep everything in order. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and yeah, let me know what you guys think of everything. If there's anything in particular that you would like me to do, definitely let me know. I think my next video will be using the acrylics that I made, because they're very, very, very beautiful, in my opinion, at least. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing some glitter sets with flowers. That's definitely gonna be a thing, because I made duos on that live. I made a pigment acrylic and then I made a glitter acrylic. So thank you so much. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave me a comment and what you want to see. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Join my nail crew. I love you guys. Bye.